How to fix WhatsApp voice message or audio problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, this is what I'm gonna show you in today's video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. So all what you have to do is there is three ways. The first way is you have to go to the settings, go to the wireless, and then go to the Wi-Fi and just turn it off and turn it on again, and then go to the airplane mode and do the same thing. That's the first way. Now, the second way is you have to go to the apps on your phone, go to apps, go to WhatsApp, and click here on this option here in the top corner. It's called for stop, as you can see. And then go down to this permissions options and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. And now last thing, click on open by default and make sure that this option here is on always allow. That's it guys for this video. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe.